Look at Island Wide Express. Today, guys, today is a public holiday and Island Wide Express make it their point of duty to deliver my package to me in style. What's happening here? Hello. Good afternoon. Guys, today is a public holiday and Island Wide Express make it their point of duty to make sure that I got my packaging round at some place, round at some part. So guess what? Anywhere in Jamaica you can stay, anywhere in a foreign, anywhere in the world you stay and order something online. Whatever site you order on is gonna get right to my door. Look.
Now, by this time, we looked her up on social media and realized who we're delivering to. So we asked her to help us out with a full feature video.
Semi-shipping company. Hey guys, guess what? We are out in the holiday spirit. It's Jamaica Day, and we're with the lovely. It is Vickiana.
So hi Barbies.
Because it's pink, that's why it's hi Barbies.
Yeah, it's Barbie season.
Come to Ken's.
Yeah, well, you guys are in it, of course.
There you
of
go.
course, we cannot do it without you.
Okay.
So, guys, this shipping company, they make sure that they take my package straight to my door. So, for the Barbies, for the guys, your husband, go place an order on your Shein, place a Fashion Nova, do whatever you want to do, place a Zara, the Michael Kors, Lord Child, it's going to come straight to your door at a reasonable cost. You don't have to broke your back, stress out yourself, pay no exorbitant fees. This shipping company gets the job done on time. As I said, this is a public, today is when
emancipation. Make you emancipate yourself.
Oh God, from mental slavery. So listen guys, this could be you. We are going to tell you how to go about creating your account, set up your thing and just sit down, stay from anywhere. And if you're in a foreign and you want to send something to your loved one, use this shipping company because you don't have to stress yourself. Place the order and do everything you have to do and you just sit down and you watch the delivery.
And guess what's the beautiful thing? All our deliveries, all our packages that come through us, it's under our platinum cover. So what that means is you must get your package. Once it reaches our doorstep in Florida, you're going to get your package. Don't worry about it. We got it. Just like how we got Vickiana. We got your package, right?
Of course, my wig.
And you're loving it. Your wig.
Of course, my wig.
We're off, guys. Lemon.